Game time is 10 seconds.
Yo, I'm Professor Rocket. What's up? I tell you what's up. It's time to do some psycho math. Now get ready. Here's how psycho math works. I'll show you an equation, but instead of numbers, I will show you some pictures. Then you figure out what numbers the pictures stand for and solve the problem. It's crazy. Crazy like a fox. Ready? Then let's get to it. First, let's start with the number of hours in a day. Then, add it to the number of legs on a grasshopper. Then, divide it by the number of books in a trilogy. Professor Rocket is a speed reader and can read more than one book at a time and do psycho math. Now, we are going to figure out the answer. You take 24 hours in a day. Add it to the 6 legs on a grasshopper. Hope you didn't guess 8. Divided by the 3 books in a trilogy. And the answer is 10. You heard me? 10. Y'all take a breath. Cause we're gonna do it again. The number of points you need to win a ping pong game. Next, add the number of yards in a first down in football. Then, take away the number of suns in our solar system. Okay, did you figure it all out? So, what does it equal? We got 21 points in a ping pong game, plus 10 yards in a first down, minus 1 star, or you might know it as the sun, in our fantastic solar system. And the answer is 30. And I do mean 30. Okay, one more. The number of words a picture is worth. You know, like the old saying. Then you subtract the number of meters in a kilometer, minus the number of women that have been presidents of the United States. You got the answer? Of course you do. There are 1,000 words that a picture is worth, minus 1,000 meters in a kilometer, minus 0 women that were U.S. presidents. What does it equal? 0. And the rock means 0. It may equal nothing, but to me, it's really something. Didn't know I was a poet too. Yes, children, Professor Rocket is full of surprises, but unfortunately, out of psycho math. Temporarily speaking, that is. So, I'll be coming up with more for you all. Until then, Professor Rocket's out.
Hey there! Next game coming up! Greetings.
Game cartridge loading. Check.
Radio Scramble!
Radio KBOX.
Good whatever to all you snazzies and razzies. This is your not-so-humble host, Jumpin' Johnny Jumble, or as we say here,
Jumpin' Johnny Blam Too.
that's because here at Scramblin' Radio, we toss them around and you gotta put them back together. In other words, my name is really
Jumpin' Johnny Jumbo.
and that's how it works. Solid hits and flimsy words, and you have to unscramble the letters we'll be blasting your way. Let's get this rocket off the pad and into your heart with the newest blockbuster from the disorganization, Luna Hig.
My friends and me played a prank on my teacher at school. I thought it was funny even though it was against the rules. But when she asked who it was, I just couldn't keep my cool. I couldn't stop Lunahig, a Lunahig. That grin was giving me away. Lunahig, a Lunahig. There was nothing that I had to say. I couldn't stop Lunahig, and now I'm gonna have to pay.
Hysterical! Yucking it up with the disorganization and laughing! That was so easy, it wasn't funny. And now it's time for
Scrambling Sports with Billy Bull.
Thanks, Johnny. Just hot off the sports wire, it's another record for Cram Crummage. In today's game, Cram Crummage hit 14 home runs. The really amazing part of the story is that Crummage only got up to bat 7 times. The umpire thought Crummage hit the ball so hard, he gave Cram 2 home runs for each one hit. That's 350 home runs this year for slugger Mark McGuire. That's it from the world of sports. Now back to
Jumpin' Johnny Jumble.
Thanks, Billy. Well, before we say nighty-night and put this baby to sleep, here's Rudy Kazootie with Dagenall.
An alien crashed his spaceship right down in my backyard. I tried to introduce myself, but it was way too hard. I didn't know his gag you now, and I guess he didn't know mine, 'cause he turned bright green and covered me with slime.
What the heck did he say? Did you figure it out? That was Rudy Kazootie with Language. Did you get that one, baby? I knew that you could. And as this spaceship takes off and heads for another galaxy, this is Sayonara from
Jumpin' Johnny Meatballs.
That's Jumble. Dig it.
Game time in 10 seconds.
Game quality under control.
Next game up, Riddle Snake.
In the dark and mysterious recesses of parts unknown, there resides the strange and riddle-wise creature known only as the Riddle Snake. His music is enchanting, and his riddles are perplexing. So look close and think even closer, 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 closer. The riddle is, of what can you say, the more you take, the more you leave behind? The more you take, the more you leave behind. The more you take, the more you leave behind. And the answer is footsteps. And you know what else you leave behind? Me. Because we are all done here. Goodbye. Goodbye.